I want to welcome you to this important tutorial on completing your Castle Branch requirements. These requirements include things like your background check, clinical documentation such as your vaccination records and any forms like HIPAA and OSHA, and your drug screen. Completing these tasks in a timely manner is crucial for several reasons. It ensures that all your documentation is in order to allow you to start your clinical rotations without any delay, which is essential for meeting your program's clinical hour requirements. These requirements also help to protect the health and safety of both you and your patients, and it demonstrates professionalism and readiness to enter the healthcare environment, where adherence to these things like your vaccination records and your background check will be extremely important. Per our policy, all students must complete drug screening and criminal record verification upon entry to the program. Submission of documentation to Castle Branch Agency is required prior to enrollment in your first nursing course. Failure to provide Castle Branch with this information, even with negative results, will jeopardize enrollment or progression in your courses. When you're doing your Castle Branch, the first thing that you want to do is navigate to this website. Once you get to the website, you'll see you want to verify that it says University of Southern Indiana College of Nursing and Health Professions portal, and you'll click Place Order. Once you place order, you'll want to click Please Select, and you'll want to select your program's requirements. So if you're a BSN to DNP student or a postmaster's to DNP student, you'll select BSN to DNP. If you're a MSN or a postmaster's certificate, you'll select graduate nursing. And if you're undergraduate nursing, you'll select the undergraduate nursing at the bottom. Once you open up your particular file, you'll see that there are many options to choose from. You want to make sure that you're choosing the correct code package, so whichever term that you're going to be going into the program. So if you're coming in fall, you would want to choose the fall. Spring, you would choose your spring, and then summer would be your summer option. There are other code packages available, such as your background check, your document manager, or your drug test, but these are all individual. So rather than choosing those, we want you to choose the package that says background check, compliance tracker, and drug test. So make sure you're selecting the right one. So again, for BSN to DNP and post-MSN, you would do IW57, whichever term you're coming in, background check, compliance tracker, drug test. If you're doing MSN or postmaster certificate, then you would want to choose the UFO 6 with your particular term, and then background check, compliance tracker, and drug test. And undergraduate nursing, you only have one option to choose from, so you would just choose the UFO 7 background check, compliance tracker, and drug test. One of the things to remember is that Castle Branch will send you a separate email for your drug test. This will include things like the package code, the form that needs to be taken, and then it will tell you the nearest location where you need to get your drug screen completed. This has to be done within 6 months, but again, per our policy, it needs to be done before you enroll in your first class. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we're happy to help you through the process.